back to the scrap yard. You can see it back there. A whole bunch of vacuum cleaners. And I got some motors and wire. So we'll see how we make out this time. Okay, YouTube, here we are in this creepy old basement. What I'm doing is it's going to be really cold, and so I want to make sure the pipes don't burst, especially since we don't live here. So over here is where the water comes in. Right here. It goes up this PEX, which, because it burst before, the guy said the lines froze and broke, so he had it replaced with this. So I just want to put some heat tape on it. So maybe you can watch me put some heat tape on. See what I bought. Bought heat tape. This is 9 to 13 feet. 120 volts. There's a plug right on the other side of this wall. So I'm going to try to get this thing to wrap around here over close to the plug. I have an extension cord if I need it. See if I can get the thing open. Important owner's manual, important paperwork. This is what a heat tape looks like. You plug it in to an outlet. Excuse me. Plug it into an outlet, and you wrap this on the pipe, and it gets warm. And then you cover it with some insulation, which I'm going to do. Actually, let me just see something.
Are you almost done?
Get an extension cord through there. Let me get that extension cord. Yeah, it should take me another 5-10 minutes here. Okay, YouTube, I'll check back when I'm done. I also bought this. Pipe insulation. Keep it somewhat insulated up to there. That's on its own, I think. I mean, no way I'm wrapping all that. Stapled up there like that. It just feels a little bit warm, which is what I would expect. Just needs to keep it from freezing. So I think that'll do the trick. So on to the next task.